1 year after the deadly earthquakes that hit both Syria and Turkey on February the 6th, 2023, survivors in both countries shared their stories. Yahya Kahan, a 50-year-old painter, was at his home in the Syrian city of Aleppo when the earthquake struck. He was buried under the rubble for 40 hours before he was saved. He later learned that he was one of the 2 survivors in his apartment building, the collapse of which claimed the lives of 48 people.
أنا ما بفقد الأمل ولا بستسلم ولا مدى مفروض أنا شخصيا أرجع لهذا المكان ويتعمر وما بس هذا يتعمر كل شيء مبنى في سوريا مفروض يتعمر بس أنا متأكد وواثق إنه بدها تتعمر.
Yahya Majawaz, a 32-year-old father of 4 and a furniture painter, still feels sad whenever he takes a look at the collapsed building next door, as it reminds him of his neighbors and the time they spent together.
أنا إن شاء الله اتجوزنا بس إنه وعد ضل بخوف شوي خصوصي بهالنهار يعني بالذات ولا مطلع ولا منزعل كنا مطلع على البناية بنقول الله يرحمهم والعايشين يعني الله يجبرهم مصيبتهم. The massive earthquakes last year killed about 44,000 people in Turkey and about 6,000 others in Syria. According to official statistics, 54 buildings were destroyed in Aleppo during the earthquakes. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees said the earthquakes left 5.3 million people in Syria homeless. Reconstruction is underway in Aleppo, despite challenges that include Western sanctions impeding the import of raw materials.
هون 120 بالحيدرية 320 يعني نحن كمرحلة أولى كمؤسسة إسكان 440 مسكن كمرحلة أولى سكن مستحق لمتضرري الزلزال. عم بتأثر كتير علينا بتأمين المواد الأولية يعني نحن هون 80% من المواد استيراد. عم تأثر كتير بس نحن رغم هيك عم نوصل الليل والنهار لنسلم السكن لأصحابه بالوقت المحدد.
Pre-dawn vigils were held in the quake-affected zones in Turkey on Tuesday as grieving Turks and Syrians mourned their loved ones and neighbors in silence. The total damage from the devastating earthquakes is estimated to cost over $100 billion, with approximately 300,000 buildings across 11 Turkish provinces either destroyed or severely damaged. Construction works are continuing in the earthquake zone, where eligible survivors have begun receiving quake-resilient houses.
İlgili tabii ki umudum var. Umarım eski haline gelir tekrar. Umarım bizim dönebileceğimiz haline gelir tekrar. Tabii ki hayatımı da geçirmek istediğim şehir Hatay. Umarım toparlanır. Umarım kendimize gelebiliriz. Umarım düştüğümüz yerden kalkabiliriz ve evimize dönebiliriz.